पणजे आदले जीएमसी इमारतीन 20 आणि 21 जानेवारीक नवीन टाइम्साची प्रॉपर्टी एक्सपो चालू आसा। ही 5वी आवृत्ती। कंत्राटदारांक ही एक बरी संद, सदानंद शेट तानावडेन सांगला।
उद्घाटन केल्लें आसा आणि ताच्या भितर वेगवेगळे जे डेव्हलपर आसात, बिल्डर आसात, तांच्यांनी ह्या हातून एक्सपोन भागूय घेतला। तशें एवरी इयर नवीन टाइम्स अशा पद्धतीचे हे एक्सपो, प्रॉपर्टी एक्सपो ऑर्गनायज करतात आणि गोंयांतले जे नामवंत असे बिल्डर आसात ते हातून पार्टिसिपेट जातात आणि तातूंतल्यान एक बरें, कारण नवीन टाइम्सान एखादी गोष्ट हाडप म्हणल्यार तातूंत थोडोसो लोकांचो एक विश्वास आसा, कारण गेली कितली वर्सां ते न्यूजपेपर इंडस्ट्री भितर काम करतात आणि त्यामुळे तांच्यांनी अशा पद्धतीचे हे करतकच दोन्ही गोष्टी हे जातात की एक जे वेगवेगळे बिल्डर जे आसात, म्हणजे हांवें आतां पळयतकच लक्षान आयलें की सबंद गोंय भरले वेगवेगळ्या तालुक्यान, वेगवेगळ्या शहरा भितर जेंचे बिल्डिंग्स येतात, कांय भागा भितर प्रॉपर्टी डेव्हलप करून प्लॉट विकतात, रॉ हाऊस आसात, अपार्टमेंट्स, अशा पद्धतीचे तांकां एकाच जाग्याचेर येतकच वेगवेगळे जे कोण इन्क्वायरी करपाक येतात, जे बायर असतात, तांकांय तांचे कडेन इन्क्वायरी करतकच तांकां फायदो आसता की बऱ्या हातून खंय घेवपाक मेळटा।
So we are creating this unique platform for the developers from various places to showcase their properties, and it's a place wherein a buyer can choose from various places and properties. So this is an excellent opportunity for both the developers as well as the buyers.
Hi, my name is Nilesh. I am from Navin Times. This is our 5th edition which we have organized this year too, and it's a proud privilege for us to organize this event. And basically we have created a platform to the buyers as well as the seller also, and we expect the people should come and grab this opportunity. And we have this exhibition for 2 days.
All these projects are residential projects. Only the Janta Cooperative Housing Society, which is in South Goa in Akem Margaon, that is comprising of residences come shop. We are very happy to attend this exhibition, and we thank Navin Times for organizing and giving us an opportunity, along with the prospective purchasers who dream that they should have a home, either the second home seekers or the first time buyers.
We are representing company Talak Constructions. We develop residential and commercial properties with sustainable living, and as far as possible try and make living simple, technology friendly. We also have electric charging points in the car parkings that we allot.
गोवा 365 खातीर डायलन रॉड्रिगीस, गौतमी गावकार आणि निखिल जल्मी।